June 28th, stock playbook. Again, I say it every night, just a sample, a small snippet of what we do. You want to get actual trades that we have lined up for tomorrow morning, whether they pass or don't pass the Greece austerity package. Sign up for a free trial of the stock playbook at thestockplaybook.com. Plenty of content there. But just to give you an idea of what we do on a nightly basis, first and foremost, we look at the market. Everybody's talking about the bottoms in, we're ready to rally. I'm not buying it. I don't think you should either. Dow was up 145 points, 1.2%. NASDAQ Composite 41 points, 1.5%. S&P 500, 16 points, 1.3%. This is end of quarter window dressing, which I think is very aggressive by some of these funds, knowing that we got this Greece vote tomorrow before the open. If they vote it down, I think you see a huge sell-off. If they voted for it and there's riots in the street, I think you see profit taking in a huge sell-off. The risk to reward is not set up to go long here. The time to go long was on the pullback. We said that. We caught a nice bounce. Now, what do? You get out of some of the ones we've caught to the upside. Fusion IO, FIO had a phenomenal run. Take some profits. I love this company longer term, but I think you'll get another opportunity to get in the mid-20s. Sequence, SQNS, is a name we love. Continues to sit on our watch list. I'd love to see this pull in towards the 12 level. I think you could get long Sequence Communications, SQNS, at $12 a share on a pullback. Allot Communications, ALLT, broke out of a nice base today. We flagged our subscribers when we broke out above the $17 level, got a nice move up to 18. We don't chase it. Let this pull back. It too will come back with the market. Tomorrow morning, we've been talking about it in this video for the last week plus, LNN. We talked about the $60 and the $65 calls. Depending on which ones you bought, you're up anywhere from 50 to 100% before the earnings come out tomorrow morning. If you did not take some of that off of the table to minimize your downside risk, if they blow it and they don't go ahead and have a great report, then all I could say is shame on you. You get an option play in earnings that goes up 100% before the announcement. Take your initial investment off. Now you're playing with the house's money. That's how you manage a portfolio. I continue to love Lindsay. I think this stock as an investment goes much higher, but this trade was put on for a trade. I'm hoping to see this stock up at $70+ a share tomorrow on a good beat, in which case my options will be up a few 100%, and I'm going to take those profits to the bank, move to the sidelines, and look for some shorts. TravelZoo, TZOO, stock that had a nice little bounce today. We shorted the stock just above here. I'm taking a shot. I love TravelZoo as an investment down here at $50. If we get a leg lower and this pulls into 50, I'll be buying it with both hands, adding it to my portfolio. But up here at these levels, now again, just so you know that we're an authority on TravelZoo, we started buying TravelZoo back here at $16 and $17 a share in the fall of last year. Had a beautiful run. In March of this year, we had this pullback. We were all over the thing in March in the mid to upper 30s. Right on this pullback, we had a huge run, 200% in a matter of probably 14 weeks. We said, take your profits, get out. We did just that, and then we went short. So I feel like we've had a good feel for this stock. From a trading standpoint, I think you could see this go lower. We're only giving it a point or so to the upside. So if this thing hits 65, you cover your short. Otherwise, I think you could see a 10-point pullback, 1.5 up, 10 down. I'll take that risk to reward every day. TravelZoo is a short with a tight stop. If it pulls back towards the 50 level, cover your short, then go long on TravelZoo. Two other stocks that are having a little window dressing. LinkedIn, nice little rally here. Let it continue up a little higher, but LinkedIn is one I like as a short. I haven't pulled the trigger yet because I think we could see a little more upside. But LinkedIn and Pandora, P, are both stocks that I'd love to see rally up a little more, especially when it's on light volume. I will short into that rally, and the next leg lower, both of those will come back down. Again, this is just a small sampling. We have stocks under 10. We have Chinese companies like Yoku, YOKU, and QIHU, which just blew it out of the water today. We're not chasing any of them now, but we map out a nice plan for you going forward. Sign up for a free trial. I think you'll be very impressed. Otherwise, I will talk to you right here tomorrow. Have a good night.